In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted invoice in QuickBooks. If you've ever removed an invoice by mistake or need to confirm who deleted it and when, the audit log in QuickBooks is the place to look. It tracks activity across your books so you can retrace what happened and gather the details you need. Start by opening QuickBooks and going to the Settings menu, which is the small gear icon, usually at the top right of your screen. From there, choose Audit Log. This page shows a chronological list of actions taken in your company file. If you have a lot of activity, the default view can feel overwhelming, so using the filters will help you zero in quickly. Click the filter option and set the event type to show deleted or voided transactions. This narrows the log to the kind of changes you're interested in. Next, refine your search further by selecting the transaction type as invoice. If you know who might have deleted it, choose that person under User. If you remember roughly when it happened, set a date range to match that window. The tighter your filters, the faster you'll find what you need. When your filters are ready, click Apply. You'll now see a list that focuses on invoice deletions and voids. Scan the entries and look for the deleted invoice you're investigating. Each line shows when the action occurred and who performed it. If you see several similar entries, pay attention to the date, time, and user to pick the right one. When you find the correct entry, click View. This opens the detailed history for that event, including the invoice number, the customer it belonged to, the amount, and the deletion information such as the user and timestamp. If the invoice went through edits before deletion, you may see a sequence of changes. Use the latest one marked as deleted for the most relevant details. A few tips as you work. If you don't see the audit log option or certain users, your access level may be limited, so you might need an admin to check this for you. Also, deleted and voided are different. Deleted removes the transaction, while voided keeps it with a zero amount, so the log helps you confirm which occurred. Finally, jot down or export the key details you uncover. Having the invoice number, customer, and amount handy can save time if you need to reference the transaction later. That's it. By using the audit log with focused filters and reviewing the details, you can confidently find a deleted invoice in QuickBooks and understand exactly what happened.